Those China trade worries, though, and the president brought this up yesterday, coupled with disappointing earnings, sending stocks well into the red for the first day of trading for the month of May. But I got to remind you, and this may seem wild to all of you, but we're coming off the best month for the Dow and the S&P since 1987. Wrapping up one of the busiest weeks of earnings reports for the quarter. They've been, as you can expect, a little rough. Where should investors be looking now? I want to bring in Kingsview Asset Management CIO, Fox Business contributor Scott Martin, and SureVest CEO and Chief Investment Strategist Rob Luna. And Scott, you know, it's weird as we watch these numbers. I mean, we're actually pushing session lows, and we may lose our gains for the week. I want to let our viewers know at this point, based on what I'm seeing with these numbers. But the markets are shooting higher. The economy seems to be falling apart, Scott. Where's the truth and the reality in all of this?
Isn't the stock market fun, Cheryl? I mean, that's what it does. You mentioned some of the highs we're coming off of being the best month since 1987, so it's likely that some profit taking is actually a healthy thing. And you mentioned, I mean, the earnings out this week have been, in a word, terrible. And so the market is taking those into consideration. Yes, I think a lot of that was baked in, but that also presents, in my opinion, a lot of opportunity here. I mean, you mentioned Amazon, and I'll tell you, if you just look at Amazon, you've got a company, Cheryl, that's crushing it at AWS, the Amazon Web Services, which I think is personally a lot of the future of the company alone. A company that's making $75 billion top line as a consumer staple company, by the way, every quarter, which is really great. And the fact, too, that the company is pulling back 7-8% on a day like today after it's rallied well into this, sell-off we had in the last several months. So, in my opinion, looking for values like that is the way as a stock investor to take advantage. Yeah,
but aren't you worried about this news on Bezos having to go to Congress to testify about that Wall Street Journal report? And actually, guys, hold on a second. Sorry, guys. Scott, we have got the White House press briefing getting underway. Press Secretary